Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm going to be decluttering my 3-year-old little girl's room. Actually just her toys today. She has so many toys and it's just gotten out of hand, and I'm tired of spending all day cleaning up toys and then nothing else gets done. And we just have way too much. So we're going to donate it to the resource center that we use for foster care. And I know that it's a reliable charity, and I know it's actually getting donated to kids in need for free. So I'm just going to go through all of her toys using the Konmari method and just get rid of the toys that she no longer plays with and throw away the broken ones. And for example, she has probably 25 baby dolls, I'm not even kidding. And we're going to try to narrow that down to like 5 baby dolls. So I have saved a lot of toys from when my oldest daughter, who is now 9, I've saved a lot of her toys for my toddler. So we haven't just been going out and buying loads and loads of toys.
Oh my goodness. So I've got a trash bag full and a tote full of stuff I'm getting rid of. But there is still so much. This is crazy. But we're making a little progress.
So here's a look at a few of the things that we're getting rid of. We've got lots of extra bags that foster children can always use bags, because a lot of times their things come in trash bags. So we're going to donate some of these bags, donate some of these little toys. There's just so much. This bag is more toys we're getting rid of, and I'm still not done. Those are clothes and shoes that don't fit. And then this is the collection of baby dolls. I was not kidding. She has like literally 25 baby dolls. So we're going to get rid of the majority of these. Again, a lot of little girls in foster care. Every little girl needs at least one baby doll, but maybe not 25. So I think we kept about 5 baby dolls, because we do now have another foster daughter her age, so they can share the 5 baby dolls. And these are the things I kept. This is just like a Peppa Pig set, some crayons and chalk. Another cute little wooden dollhouse her grandmother gave her. This is a Melissa and Doug magnetic doll set thing. So I did end up getting rid of about 4 trash bags full of toys, and they're going to a great cause, and I'm really happy about it, and I feel like this is going to be great and a lot less toys for me to clean up every day. So thanks again for watching. I hope this was helpful. I hope you enjoyed watching me get rid of all my toddler's toys. No, she still has a lot of toys left, but I try to choose the ones that I know are her favorites and get rid of the ones that I know she never plays with, other than to throw them on the floor, getting to the ones she wants. So anyway, thanks again for watching. Please don't forget to like and subscribe down below if you haven't already. And I hope you have a wonderful, blessed day. I love you, and Jesus loves you too. Bye.